Hi everyone, this is Susie. Today I wanted to show you how I put these trees together from Dollar Tree. I got 3 together right now, which I'll be putting around the house in different areas. And I got one more I'm going to be putting together. And I want to thank everyone for watching and thank you for all your love and support. We have an elf tree, and this pink one's nice for a little girl's room or on your dresser. And we just have a regular one here with all bulbs on it. Okay, let's get started. Here's 2 trees here. I got a green and a white one I'm going to put together. First you take off the bottoms. And you hold these together and you just start opening them up like so. Open all the branches. You can like take a part of the other tree and just wrap it around the green one here, and you can take this one and wrap it around here. That'll hold them together. And just keep opening them up. And I use the foam for flowers. Foam in here. This is a used one. And just put them in here like that. And just keep opening your tree up. And I'll come back and show you when it's finished. Just keep separating the branches. Okay, this one's finished. I also have these little soft cloths I got at Dollar Tree in the automotive section. They make nice little tree skirts. And this one's finished. I just used what I had left in my Christmas decorations. Put that one together. And you can also use these lights. Yeah, I got these at Walmart. Just wrap them around the tree like I did with this one. I wrapped them around the tree. Some sparkly lights. It's got a button on here. Just hold it and it'll flash different colors. And you can leave it like that and turn it off. And that's 4 little Christmas trees. Just some ideas for decor around your home for Christmas. And that one. And the elf tree. And this one here. You can do all kinds of decor with these trees. They're really fun to decorate. And I'll be coming back with more DIYs. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.